good morning guys. Today is Monday, work na naman. Puntahan natin yung aso dito. Bakit kaya yung aso laging bago kong sasakyan to. Alam niya yung sasakyan to. Ito pala yung aso guys. Tinatali. Ay, hindi naman siya tinatali. Tinatali. Yun guys. Tinatali pala. Kaya lagi. Ito, river to guys. River. Kaya tinatali pala siya. Yun. Kawawa lang siya. Tinatali. River to guys dito guys. Tapos yung building namin. Yun guys. Good morning. Good morning. Work na naman. Today is Monday. Okay. August guys. August 4.